So this house was previously rented out to lots of different tenants who all lived here at the same time. And this was someone's bedroom. They've moved out and the furniture's just about to go, and they had locks on all the doors. So we've filled in the holes, and I'm just going around and just making good on all these. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the corner off here with a plane. And each of these we've filled in with foam, and I'm just going to cut this out. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a bit of this beading trim, and I'm going to see if I can make the round on this. Take the edge and round the edge of this and recreate this profile here, because I haven't got a bead that matches it, but I want to fill in this gap. So I'm going to clear this out, cut a bit from here that matches, stick it on, and I'll show you what it looks like. So, right, I took that profile there and I sliced it down so that all I'm left with is that top section there. And take it, turn it over, and it's pretty much perfect. And then what I'll do is I'll plane over it slightly. I'll glue it in place, plane over it, and then I can sand and fill, and that's that gap covered in the line of that. Right, that's the finished bit. Just use the little block plane to round this over. To plane down here so that we can fill this and sand it, and you'll not really ever see it. Same with this one here. You can't actually feel that at all. Obviously you can see it for now, but I'm pleased with that. So that's a nice little quick fix. This next one is a bit more of a challenge because the lock here was set in here. They've taken a big old chunk out of that door there. This is okay, it's just a little chip that I need to fix on this one. That'll be the same as the last one, but this is going to be a bit more involved. So I'm going to spend a bit of time fixing it, and then I'll just show you what it looks like before and after. If I do anything spicy or fancy, then I'll show you, but I'm pretty sure this is going to be a case of using this piece there, like that, and then maybe even the same piece but flipped around that way on the other side, or potentially a combination of this piece and the same piece that I used last time, using the same technique. But we'll see. I'll see how I get on. I'm going to tidy this up first so it's kind of clean and uniform, and then I'll have a go with those. So that's the first bit, which looks really good. This bit I'm not sure about what to do here, because there's a slight deviation in the wood there. So what I think I might actually do, I know this sounds funny, but I might just use expanding foam to fill that gap and then profile it afterwards. Maybe. I might pack a bit of wood in there. We'll see. I'm just going to have a think about it now. So all I've done is cut a little wedge to fill into this half of this remaining space, and then I'll fill the rest with expanding foam. It's a bit of a complicated shape internally, so I thought I would need to cut two and wedge them, but I didn't, or I couldn't actually fit it in the end. This one wouldn't fit in. I might end up just packing this up in here, because the more wood I've got in there, the better and the easier it'll be to profile. So I might even just do that. And I can secure those in, and I can profile the rest of it quite easily. Right, in another bedroom here, just looking at this, and what I did is that I've opened this up slightly and straightened out the edges and flattened off the sides, and then smoothed this flat as well with the chisel. Just working with the bevel down and kind of working my way up here, like that, just to straighten that up. And then I've taken a few of these profiles and just chopped them up. As you can see, I've been working with different bits, splitting bits off, and I've just created a couple of little profiles here, which now fit. So that one fits in there really quite nicely, and this one fits in here. And so you can see that the two of them together follow that profile with that groove running down all the way through. I'm just going to run a little groove down the back of this side here, glue them in place, fill it and sand it, and you will possibly never see it, never notice that it's there. Right, I've taken that little bead out there the whole way along. That now sits in there really nicely. The groove matches the whole way down, so I'll glue this in place and then do some filler and sand it, and that'll be that. Right, that's the first coat of paint. Just going to give it a little sand down, then a second coat of paint, and that should pretty much disappear. This one's the other one. We'll be doing the same thing here. Bit of light sanding, bit of paint, and that'll go. And the final one